Welcome to Winning Wall Street's Money. Help support my channel. We need to get to 1,000 subscribers pretty much as soon as possible. So then I go live streaming because YouTube policy, they won't let me go live until I have 1,000 subscribers. Thank you to all the folks out there that have subscribed to my YouTube channel. If you have not yet, please take this moment now with helping me. Click subscribe. Next, click the bell. And next, click all. This helps you receive a notification when I post my next videos. Plus, click the thumbs up button and every time you watch my videos. If you got value from this video, if this was helpful, then please consider sharing a small monetary donation to my channel by going below and clicking on either my Patreon or PayPal links. If you join my Patreon page, then you'll get early access to these videos 24 hours before they're posted on the YouTube and lots more. If you prefer just leaving a small tip, click on PayPal. Either way, then you get that warm sense of satisfaction years down the line knowing that you helped me become a successful YouTuber. Tuesday, November 30th, 6:22 p.m. New York time. The stock market's closed, and today was the last trading month for November. So let's look at the monthly performance. Start off looking at the S&P 500. That's the cash index S&P 500. For the month, it closed red, where it made a higher high, higher low, all-time high. Yeah, but it closed back inside that prior month. And that type of candle that formed could be considered a bearish pin bar. So we may have a further retracement. Maybe we go to the midpoint here. But this prior month here, that green one, that was a bullish engulfing. So we might just also have a consolidation that's working its way back up to retest that. Why? Because we're in that season where it's bullish bias more often for this season. Yep, we'll see what happens. The NASDAQ 100 did close green, but similar body, bearish pin bar. The Dow Jones Industrial Average did a deep retracement into that prior month, and it closed red. That's much more bearish. But again, here we have a huge consolidation. So I'm not expecting a deep retracement. I'm expecting this consolidation to work on a way to break out to the upside. Russell 2000, it made a new high for the year and then closed back inside this area, huge consolidation. Dow Transport's all-time new high. Oof, look at that. Wow. Almost 100% retracement. Yeah, almost 100% retracement for the month. Closing near the low, back inside the prior month. That is not looking good. And Dow Utilities, yep, huge consolidation. 2 months in a row. Inside candles. That is interesting. It's going to be a powerful trend when that breaks out at some point in time. So look here at all the equity indexes. Well, we have one that closed green, the NASDAQ. Yep. So for the month, most of them rejected their highs and sold off. Okay, that was that part. Let's go on to look on what's next. Let's look at the bond market. Yep, people aren't investing or don't want to be in stocks, they have to go to bonds. So we'll look here at the 30-year bond. Yep, made a higher high, higher low, green. Retracement of that trend down. But that trend did end, like I said, so it's in a retracement mode. Okay. One would expect it's going to go higher. So put that dotted line, we'll see how it goes from the next month or the month after that. Yep. And the 10-year bonds, lower low, lower high, did it deeper. Well, beta hit a new low for the year there. Yep. So they still say that has a trend going down. The trend has not reversed yet. And the 5-year, lower low, lower high. Look at that. Tested the midpoint, broke below it, and closed just around it. So there are buyers stepping in there. You see the big shot on the bottom, but again, the trend has not reversed yet. But it's getting tired on the downside. So the takeaway here is, notice the 30-year, the longer term investment, the 30-year made a higher high, higher low, where The 10-year and the 5-year made lower lows. Yep. So big difference on the expectation of the interest on what's the performance of these. Yep. Let's look at the S&P 500 sectors. That is very important. We want to know which one of the 11 sectors are leadership, which one did better than the equity indexes. XLK, all-time new high, outstanding, outstanding. XLV, nope, didn't make an all-time high, closed red inside that prior month. It's an consolidation phase. Yep, consolidation phase. So do this here. There we go. Consolidation, staircase pattern, higher high. And XLF, the financial banks, inside candle. Solid body red will close near the low. Yep. Well, one wants to see what happens on that breakout. Yeah. Notice these inside candles, these yellow candles, often are points of turning points. Is that going to be a turning point to go higher or further retracement? XLY, yep, new high, making a bearish pin bar. XLC, lower low, lower high. Trend is down. Yep. Broke below the consolidation. XLI took out the high to make an all-time new high for the year and close back inside. So that as well to make a new high for the year, but it's also in the consolidation phase. This might be actually distribution. XLI, listen to this, XLI makes up 9.7% of the S&P 500. XLI is in the industrials sector. So this may be churching what's occurring. Yep, churching on the top of a trend in this consolidation. Need to look at the individual stocks, but that may be distribution. Smart money may be selling. XLP, higher high, higher low, but went back into closing the prior month. XLE, made a new high, no, sorry. Did not take out that high, but it closed the inside candle near the high of the year. XLU, just in a huge consolidation. XLRE, all-time new high, and then closed red like a bearish pin bar. XLB, yeah, all-time high, rejected it, and closed back inside that range. If you look at my other video I just made, I mentioned too, several of those commodities made highs and then closed inside, or the stocks made highs and closed inside. Okay, let's look at the FANG stocks, the most popular single stocks traded, held by the biggest institutions. Apple, all-time new high, higher high, higher low. That's leadership. Microsoft, higher high, higher low. Also made a bearish pin bar. Amazon made a higher high, higher low than the prior month. Again, having sell-off up there. And that did make a new staircase pattern, higher high. That's nice. Oops. There we go. So consolidation, breakout to the upside, consolidation, staircase pattern, higher high. Facebook. Yeah, made a higher high, higher low, and then closed back inside. So again, having a hard time staying up at those retracements. 3 months in a row, closed red. Yeah. Maybe they have to goose up their marketing prices. Well, next year is elections, so maybe more ads are going to come out. Maybe Mother Russia will buy some more ads again. Google, all-time new high, higher high, higher low, but closed red for the month. Smaller trading range too. And Tesla, all-time new high, higher low, closed above that prior month high, and nearly closed at the same price for it open. That's suspicious. Yep. Huge trading range the last 2 months. November Victor Delta Alpha, all-time new high. Huge trading range also. Another one in the leadership. And Netflix did make an all-time new high, higher high, higher low, and closed back inside the range of the prior month. Bravo Alpha, Bravo Alpha. New low for the year. Lower low, lower high. The trend is down. They are struggling. This whole year, nothing but struggle for them. Yep. Big difference from the performance of them last year, where they had that all-time high, and since then we're lower.